Fellow Zimbabweans, we have convened this press conference to confirm our call for a peaceful and non-violent national shutdown. The shutdown will start from Monday, the 1st of July 2019 to Friday, the 5th of July 2019. During this period, we expect President Mnangagwa to address the nation and to do something about the rampaging political crisis and untold economic hardships facing the generality of our people. President Mnangagwa has two choices before him. Number one, to resign and allow Zimbabwe to move forward. Number two, to convene an all-inclusive national dialogue under the auspices of an independent and international mediator. If President Mnangagwa refuses to yield to these demands, on Saturday, the 6th of July 2019, the people of Zimbabwe will be left with no choice but to come out of their homes and march to the State House in Harare. For other cities, we will be updating you on the venues where people will converge. We urge the people of Zimbabwe to do this in utmost peace and in a non-violent manner. We are aware that the international community will be following these events with keen interest. We urge them to continue to apply diplomatic pressure on President Mnangagwa to do the right thing. We implore our law enforcement agents to continue to carry out their duties as encapsulated in the country's constitution and to ensure durable peace, safety, security, and protection of all our citizens. We do not anticipate any deaths or killing, as people will be peacefully seated at home as a way to register their disquiet over the escalating political and economic crisis. From the rampant corruption, policy ambivalence, cash crisis, water crisis, electricity crisis, food crisis, the list is endless. The national shutdown is an apolitical and citizen-driven process. We seek no political office or accommodation. We are mere citizens demanding a lasting solution to the problems bedeviling our country. Zimbabwe cannot continue and should not continue to be in a crisis mode. This has to be fixed, and that is exactly what we are calling for. In conclusion, we are saying from Monday, the 1st of July 2019, all our citizens must peacefully stay at home until Friday, the 15th of July 2019. By then, we expect President Mnangagwa to have addressed the nation, outlining which of the two options he will be going with. In the event that he does not do so, we will be preparing for the march to State House and other converging centers across the country. This will be done on Saturday, the 6th of July 2019. We call upon the international community to be on high alert and to help restrain President Mnangagwa from killing innocent, unarmed, and peaceful people who will be acting in accordance with the laws and the Constitution of Zimbabwe.